Hello everyone, we are back with another big video. This video is not just about selling, buying, renting property. This video is about information of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. I'm shocked, my audience, that you would be thinking that why Rizwan is not suited booted today. Because today we will not be talking about any kind of property in this video. We will be talking about the summer life of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. You know the summer life? The summer life starts with the beaches of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, for which this island is best known for. This island offers you more than 30 beaches. Will you believe a small island offering 30 beaches? Yes, this is true. I will be telling you about some in these videos, but believe me, Northern Cyprus has a vast summer life to offer for the tourists present here, students here, and along with the local households. You will never get bored in the summer vibe of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. Team Emerald decided to go one way beyond to show our audience the entertainment and summer life of Northern Cyprus. Northern Cyprus is known for many things, but the main thing is the beaches of Northern Cyprus. The island offers more than 30 beaches. In almost every city of the country, you are there to have like 5 to 7 beaches each. But some beaches are very known because of either their covered area or either the resorts nearby it. We are here in Galapagos beaches, also known as Louvre Beach. This is one of the most famous and the very old beach in Famagusta, Cyprus. The reason we decided to start this series is to tell our audience that when you come from different parts of the world to Northern Cyprus to buy either property, either leisure, either student, either tourist, everything, you have to keep your entertainment purpose in your mind also. Because I think that Northern Cyprus is very known for the tourist places, but people still underestimate the summer vibe of Northern Cyprus. We have some customers, believe me, from some countries where there is winters approx 11 months of the year and maybe 12 months also. But Northern Cyprus offers you 360 days of summers. Will you believe? To be correct, not 360 days of summers, 360 days of sunlight. Imagine you have a beach vibe to entertain, to enjoy for just 3 to 4 months in a year. I am a real estate guy. I am not selling you property over here. I came to this island as a student myself. The first thing which came very attractive to my mind was the entertainment sector of this island. Other than the nightlife, the bars, the clubs, the enjoyment, we also have immense water sports on this island. And water sports occurs because of the water, obviously. So this is very known that there is shipping. We can go to rent boats, jet skis, everything to enjoy the beaches of Northern Cyprus. You can see the vibe around me. This is just the start of the summers, believe me. Just summer started now. This beach will be totally filled like after a week or so, if I'm not wrong. I'm telling you guys, I know it's not easy to buy a property on a non-recognized country. I'm mentioning this myself not to confuse my audience more. This island will give you the best vibe in summers along with winters also. For example, I came as a buyer over here. I got an apartment near a beach view. I will not just happy myself, I will make my family happy, my kids happy, and even the visitors come from my homeland country to me will be happy also. You know, the property value in other countries, especially if I name America, Dubai, we can also mention like we can go even to Azerbaijan. It's not an expensive country, but still the property value of specifically the beach property is so expensive in the other countries because you know people are very loving to wake up and see water around them. If you compare the prices of top-notch countries with this island, believe me, there is nothing. It's nothing to buy a property on this island. My last video, which I was mentioning that what will I choose? Either the beaches of Jumeirah, beaches of Miami, but I still choose Iskele, Northern Cyprus. You know why? Because I will go with my pockets. I will try to buy something which offers cheap, beautiful, and luxury, all in all package of everything. So my viewers, this is the first beach we have covered on this island. We have many more. Please stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much once again from Team Emiral.